This is Manjaro Linux. Uh, it's um, it is version 21.0.2. It's Manjaro Linux. So let's see how it looks. So we are going to start. So when I started it first time, it gave me few options like time zone, key table, keyboard layout, language, boot with open source driver, and boot with proprietary driver. So let's see first option, boot with open source driver. So I'm going to select this. Let's see how long it will take. I have given the machine a 2 GB of RAM. So now I think Manjaro is logged in. It is giving us some options like window resizing, and this is the welcome screen. Welcome to Manjaro, and as you can see, this is 21.0.2 version of the Manjaro. And okay, let's close this. Okay, so it gives us link to the documentation, the release info, the Wikipedia of that page, and then if you want, this is a live disk. So if you want to make a permanent install, you can install this using this launch installer link. Okay, I'm going to close this. I'll close all the warnings. So it gives a desktop like environment at first, like on the bottom you get all the bottom you get all the or get all your icons. Okay, there's Firefox, and it's like the start menu. Okay, it's almost like your start menu, like older style start menu with this the lister icons. You can move those. So there is your all applications. Then it comes with Qt as your Qt as your development tools, and then games you get Steam. Okay, so you get pre-installed Steam in this, so you don't need to install Steam. Okay, for in graphical use you get KDE View, Ocular for your all your PDFs, and Scanlight for your scanner. And for internet you get quite a few options like Avahi SSH server browser, Avahi VNC server browser. Okay, I know Firefox. Then there is KD Connect, KGet, IRC. Okay, for BitTorrents you get QBitTorrent. I think it's pretty nice in comparison to the transmission and the Dulge. Okay, then for you get Thunderbird for your mail clients, and for multimedia you get Kannata. I have never used it. And for if you are into DVD or CDs burning, okay, you get K3B, and then the all essential media player, VLC media player you get. Then in Office you get Ocular, which is so you don't get a dedicated LibreOffice or anything. Uh, there is your settings. You can add or remove softwares from this. Okay. Now let's see system. Okay, you get Dolphin as your file manager. Okay, so it's G Smart. I have never used it. HTOP. Let's see what HTOP does. So it's so so let's see what's its console terminal looks like. Okay, so it is console. The terminal dash control is console. If you go into about KDE, it's okay. It's KDE. I have installed the KDE desktop environment. Okay, so it's no. I think I have installed. Yes, I have installed KDE Plasma. Okay, installed KDE. Help about console, and you get terminal emulator console. Okay, I'm going to close this. Let's go into this, and let's type system information. System information. So you get all your information. It's KDE Plasma version 5.21.4. KDE framework. It's this Qt graphics platform X11, and I've given it's 2 GB of RAM. It's and I've associated with it. And then well, there is device. Okay, so your it's pretty nice actually. Okay, so now let's see what. So if I want to write something, Word. So okay, it tells me to get every word, get calligraph words, or get password. So it doesn't have a any dedicated suit for any kind of office suit. So I have to install Abbey Word or I have to install the Libra Office. Okay, so it's just an operating system, I guess. Okay, so let me just quick uh, by the looks of it, it's pretty fast and not hogging the memory as much, but you need at least 2 gigabytes of RAM to run this. You can, as you can see, it is uh, having 826 megabytes of RAM at this moment. Okay, processing is not that much, but RAM it's okay. Let's minimize this. Let's open this file manager. So okay, so there are animations built into this which are nice to see. Okay, there's no picture. Okay, so Dolphin browser is nice. Yes, there's some file. Okay, so now let's go and